Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Hello Kitty. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. Now I have my outline layer selected with my black marker, and we can start with the flower on the top right. And then we can continue on with the ears. And then the face. Okay, and now for the body. I'm just going to turn my canvas this way, and if you're on a piece of paper and you need to turn it, you can as well. So the body is almost shaped like a heart. Then you've got the neckline. And then the arms and hands. And then the eyes, they're just an oval. And then the nose. And lastly, the whiskers. All right guys, the outline is done, and then we can start coloring. All right, let's go into our color layer. And I already have Hello Kitty's color palette picked out. It's basically two pinks and an orange. So let's start off with the orange. We're gonna go and color this part with the flower, and then the nose, and then with the dark pink, we can color the flower. And with that same pink, we can do the t-shirt. And then with the lighter pink, we could do the dress. All right guys, that is a pretty simple drawing. Here is your Hello Kitty.